Hello everyone. School events. Where are you? You just finished secondary school or an institution awaiting service? Don't wait. Upgrade your skills and prepare for future with Excel. Build real world digital skill. Master Excel basics like data entry, formatting, and charts. Gain practical computer knowledge that employers value. Do you know you can achieve all this within 3 weeks? Don't wait. Start now. Many entry-level jobs require Excel skills for reports like this, records, and analysis. Stand out from other applicants with a skill that makes you valuable from day one. Stay productive while you wait. Use Excel to plan your week, track your spending, or manage small business ideas. Turn your free time into investment in your future. My dear sisters, my dear brothers, what are you waiting for? Please click on this link below to follow. It's your girl again, Khadija Owodene. See you next time. Bye.